Okay, as you can see here, our hanging bracket, it has 3 different options to attach into the hinge mortise. All of those can go in an area that doesn't interfere with the actual hinge hole. So you can see here, I've actually done some testing on 4 or 5 different locations. None of them went into the area where the actual screw for the hinge would go in. So you've got your bracket, just sit it down in place and choose a location that doesn't interfere with those holes for the hinges. Now that we have our brackets attached into the hinge mortise, we're ready to load the door. So an easy way to do that is just grab the load bar and the spray on, hook under the brackets. We're going to lift it into place. Here we ended up pretty level, so we're ready to just take a collar and lock it against the bracket. This is to ensure that the door doesn't slide back and forth while it's being pushed through the rail. So once the brackets are in, the collars are locked down, you're ready to hook it to the rail. You can also easily hang the door just by grabbing it, lifting it up, and hooking the brackets over the load bar. Again, make sure that it's level as it hangs, and just slide the collar into place and lock it down.